Beauty lies in the eyes of the beholder, and protection of these precious eyes is the job of Clear Vision Eyewear. Hyderabad's one of the best multi-brand retail eyewear shop, Clear Vision Eyewear, does the job quite fashionably. Clear Vision Eyewear is the one-stop shop for all fashionistas in the Twin Cities. Choo, Tom Ford, Versace, Girogion Armani, Hublot, name it and they have it. And this time, the multi-brand sunglasses and eyewear Moghul has a New Year gift for the people of City of Pearls. Clear Vision Eyewear presents the latest Hublot Eyewear Fall Winter 2021-22 collections at this store outlets. Fan of sunglasses or looking for a unique gift for a loved one? Then do visit their Hublot Showcase event commencing from 21st of January 2022. Clear Vision has been in the business of offering and educating its clients about genuine eyewear as well as eye care for past 22 years. Exclusively for the first time in Hyderabad, they bring more than 120 breathtaking luxurious range of Hublot sunglasses and optical frames. Derived inspiration from its state-of-art Hublot's iconic watches, the final product range is a unique and well-conceived collection that celebrates Hublot in every single detail. The Hublot Showcase event is open to all. So come and experience a marvel of craftsmanship, design and luxury from 21st to 24th of January at Hyderabad opposite Shadan College Main Road, and 25th to 27th January at Kachiguda opposite Tarak Rama Theatre Main Road.